Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily get a filmy photo look by editing your photos on EPIK. So first you need to just open the EPIK apps and import your photo into the apps. And in here, what you need to do is go to filter and add this youth film filter and adjust it to your liking. And after that, go to FILMY, find the light category and add this glow effect and adjust it to your liking. Okay, after that, go to adjust and you need to add some grain based on your liking. Okay, so now you are done with this film look. So this is the before and here is the after. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, thanks, and also comment. Bye bye.